Did you know you can control your music or YouTube videos directly from Google Chrome without constantly switching tabs like a maniac? Yes, you can manage YouTube while working, studying, or pretending to work. Here I am watching a video. Now, instead of going back to the tab again and again, I just click on this small media control icon in Chrome. From here, I can play, pause, rewind, fast forward, or jump to any part of the video instantly. No tab switching. No stress. Just smooth control. Now, let's make it even better. Picture-in-picture mode. Click on it, and boom, the video pops out into a small floating window. Now I can continue working on my document, browsing, or checking emails while the video stays visible. Here you can check out the other features as well. Want some captions? Here you go. Now, turning on the captions opens up the box of subtitles. You can drag it anywhere so you can resume your work as well. By clicking on the drop-faced arrow, you can expand the subtitles or, again, minimize it by clicking it on the up-faced arrow. It's very cool. You can drag this mini player anywhere on your screen. Put it in a corner, move it to the side wherever it doesn't block your work. You can even resize it. Bigger if it's interesting, smaller if it's just background music. Let's play with it a little bit. Now, let's talk about caption settings. I've already turned them on, but if you haven't, just enable captions from the video settings, usually from the CC button. And there they are, clear, readable, and super helpful, especially if you're in a noisy place or watching without sound. Click on Caption Settings, and you'll see multiple options available. You can change the language based on your country, region, or even the audience you're targeting. For example, I'm translating English into Chinese. It may take a little time to process, especially if the video is still playing, so just give it a moment. Technology is smart, but yes, it still needs a second to think. You can choose almost any supported language from the drop-down menu. It's simple, quick, and surprisingly powerful for global content. Click on drop-down, choose your language, and get the auto-translated captions in chosen language. Give me a minute. Here, we can get our captions in Chinese. By this way, you can translate English into any language. Give some time as the video is on play and translation is taking a minute or two. Congratulations, our Chinese captions are here. Can you read them to me? You can also manage subtitle settings from the bottom right icon inside the video player. From there, you can adjust the font size, text color, background color, and even opacity, making it easier on your eyes during long watching sessions. So basically, you can watch videos, control playback, translate captions, customize subtitles, and continue working at the same time, all without interrupting your workflow. Multitasking level officially unlocked. There's also an accessibility option that takes you to Chrome settings, where you can add useful extensions if you need extra support, like enhanced captions or reading assistance. Or you can adjust the captions, font color, etc. too. And honestly, once you start using these features regularly, you'll wonder how you ever watched videos without them.